What's up, YouTube family? Robert Dunbar here with Training by Dunbar. Wanted to do a quick unboxing today, so I got a special gift from someone, so I am going to unbox it here. I already opened up the box to find out what it was. That's why I was able to actually prepare for this video. But of course, I always like to share it with my audience. I always like to still share with my following, and for those that have subscribed to the page. And if you have not subscribed to our page, go ahead and click that subscribe button on the bottom right hand side of your screen. If you want to hit the notification bell, that will notify you of the 3 videos we drop every week. Now, some weeks we do more than 3 videos, but on a scheduled regular basis, every Monday we shoot a video at 8:30 p.m. and we do it on YouTube Live as well. So you can get our CDLP selling strategies training that we do, and we do it via Zoom, but it's live on YouTube, and we have it there. And of course, this video is on IGTV as well. We also have a Wednesday entrepreneurial training called Becoming an Entrepreneur, where we touch on all kinds of entrepreneurial topics. We've done branding and mindset, and all, just New Year resolution things. So we try to make sure that we talk about getting up and doing affirmations. We like to make sure that we talk about setting smart goals. So things that entrepreneurs need to hear, we talk about them on our Wednesday training at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Every Wednesday, Becoming an Entrepreneur training. Right now, we're doing a series called Becoming a Healthier Entrepreneur. So our series is called A Healthier Lifestyle, and we're on part 2. That'll be this Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on YouTube Live, or you can go anywhere: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Go to our YouTube page, get that link, click on it at 9 p.m. and register for that Zoom and go ahead and join us. And then starting in February, the first week of February, I believe it's going to be February 4th, we will be doing a leadership training starting at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on every Thursday. So those will be our weekly videos that we drop. Right now, we have everything set up in playlists for you all. So whether it comes to unboxing, whether it comes to our Wednesday entrepreneurial trainings, our Monday CDLP strategy trainings there, or just all sorts of other videos on health and mindset and branding, all those other videos are set up on playlists. All you have to do is go to our channel, Training by Dunbar, scroll down, you'll see those playlists, and just choose what playlist you want to take a look at. And make sure you comment on our videos. I always do all kind of giveaways on our ebooks and things of that nature. And also make sure that you go to the bottom right hand side of your screen again. Did I already tell you to subscribe? I'm telling you again. Subscribe to our channel by hitting that. And did I tell you to subscribe to our channel, right? So make sure we're trying to reach a goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers, and then we're going to move from there. And we're going to do a countdown every time we get an extra 1,000, because the ultimate goal is to have 10,000 or more subscribers. That is our quick goal that we're going to right now, and then we're going to be moving into hundreds of thousands of subscribers in the future with you guys' support and with your help. So this unboxing, guys, so got a gift. And for those that follow the channel, or those who follow me on Facebook or Instagram, anywhere else, you guys know that I've been doing some work in my house, and I've been talking about that on those channels as well. Even though what I do as a trainer has to do with business and things of that nature, I'm still a real person, right? So I like to talk about what I'm doing in real life, and I'm a pretty transparent guy. So what I've done is I've created a wine bar, and I'm working on a regular bar in the house, and not because I'm a heavy drinker, but because it's just something I like to do. And I like, when I do like to have a casual drink, I like to be able to do that in my home. And I really like the idea of a regular bar and a wine bar in the house. So one of my friends, right, knew that, right? Girlfriend of mine knew that and said, hey, look, you know what? I'm going to send them something. So she sent me a great gift, so I'm going to do an unboxing here, and you'll see I've got some other unboxings here on the channel as well, and those will be set up on a playlist for you to be able to take a look at those other unboxings, so that you can kind of see what I opened up and how I reacted to it and all those different things. So I'm going to go ahead and start this unboxing here, so you guys can take a look at what I received. And of course, I'm unboxing here, but I already opened it up, so I'm already prepared for my video. So, I'm acting surprised, but I already know what it is. So, I appreciate this wonderful gift from a good friend, Aisha, here. So, let me go ahead and open this thing up so you guys can take a look at it. I already bust some of my bubbles. Yeah. Y'all know y'all like to do that, too. I know I'm 45 years old, and I shouldn't still be doing it, but you know what? It's fun. How about that? So Look how awesome this is, right? So I've already got a canter. So let me show you something here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, just checking something out there. So I already have a canter and everything for my wine bar. So I have a canter, I have a opener, so wine opener set with my automatic wine bottle opener, and I've got my cups like this. I've got some wine glasses with stems, and then I've got some wine glasses like this with Training by Dunbar on them, right? So I've got some signature glasses that I had sent to me with my company name. But check this out, guys. I've got my canter for my regular bar now, right? With my top. You see what it says on there? Robert A. Dunbar the third. That's so awesome, right? Good stuff, right? So now y'all know y'all can come over and get wine or alcohol, right? I'm not inviting nobody, I'm just saying. And I've got some wonderful glasses, right? To pour the alcohol in, and they've got a crown and an R on the bottom, so you can see it from the inside of the cup when you're pouring a drink. Isn't that awesome? So I've got this entire set, and I'm going to see if I can lift this up without making a mess. So here, that came in. Really awesome, right? 4 glasses. I got my canter. I got the top to my canter, all glass. So thank you, Isha Beckman, soon to be Dr. Beckman. I appreciate the wonderful gift. So guys, really awesome for me because I'm really kind of into these house projects that I'm doing. So how am I going to relate this to business right before my 10 minutes is up? I love what I do. So when you guys love what you do, whether it be in your 9 to 5, whether you own a business, whether you got a business partnership with somebody else, you've got to love what you do for a living. So I'm in the house working all day. Like I keep crazy hours, right? And of course, I live by myself, and I've got 3 kids, 25, 22, and 14, and my 14-year-old comes to my house, but my other 2 kids live out of town. I've got a 22-year-old son in the Army, sergeant in the Army, and a 25-year-old daughter that lives in New York. So I'm here by myself. So I'm working most of the day, right? And a lot of times I work at night because I'm a night owl, right? So I'm working all the time. So my only getaway is my house projects and going to the gym and walking the beach. Of course, for those who follow me at all, you guys know that that's what I do because I post all of the my night beach walk pictures or my day beach walk pictures. I post them, I do videos, I put them on Facebook, I put them on Instagram for IGTV, so they're all there, right? So you guys know that's what I do to get away from my work, because you got to have that healthy environment to be able to get away from your work, because especially when you love it and this is just what you do. Like I don't watch sports, I don't watch TV, I don't do any of those things, right? So I literally have a flat screen television on the wall in my living room here, and this is the first TV that I've had in the house with me since 2006, guys. Literally since 2006, I have not had a television in the house. Not because I'm some maniac personal development, you don't need a TV, it's a stupid box kind of guy. That's not it. It's just I don't really watch TV. Like I don't cut on the television. Like even this one I have, like unless there's company here that wants to watch the television, I don't ever watch the TV. My son comes here, he watches it, he plays his games on it. I don't watch it, right? So you've got to have your getaway. So for me, I got certain classic movies that I watch, that I go to my computer or my tablet and I watch them. But outside of that, guys, my gym time, all of my walking and exercise and my home projects, those are what I do to get away from the work that I do. So these kind of gifts are so much of a big deal because I'm putting together a bar right now, and to be able to already have my signature canter with my signature glasses for my drink, that was an awesome gift. So thank you, Isha Beckman, soon to be Dr. Beckman, for these gifts for my bar. So appreciate you guys again for joining. Wanted you guys to see that, open that with you guys, with my fans, with my audience here on YouTube. Coming up on 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out. But remember, subscribe bottom right hand side. Hit the notification bell if you want notifications. Catch us on all social media, Training by Dunbar. This is Robert Dunbar signing off.